Hi makeup artists, hi beauty enthusiasts. It's Dawn with MakeupClasses.com here at the makeup studio. I have a question for you. Have you ever done your makeup off of an inspiration? Maybe you saw a TikTok video, YouTube video, perhaps an Instagram picture, and you tried to mimic that exact look, but was left with some disappointment. Well, the answer lies here in this book, the Makeup Artist Design Book. The reason why that particular look, ladies, did not look as hot on you as the other person is because their anatomy that person was working on is different from your anatomy. If you want to learn makeup applications specifically for your facial anatomy, this is the book for you. Remember, there are 50 face shapes, 36 lip combinations, and 32 eye combinations. Which one are you? Order your Makeup Artist Design book on MakeupClasses.com. Check out the link below. Thanks, everyone.